Hello, this video will show you how to do splitting of a string, and we're going to be using Microsoft Power BI for this video. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So here's the data that we will be using here. This has to do with snake bites in the United States. To split the data, we need to say transform. And we notice that with this data, that the name, age, and gender have all been put together in a single column. And that's the way this was on the Wikipedia page. Also, the location and comments are together. So what I would like to do is split this into 3 columns. 1 column for the name, 1 column for the age, and 1 column for the gender. Okay, to do that, I just need to select the column and then say split column. We're going to be splitting this by a comma. So notice that a comma separates the name from the age from the gender. So we're going to say delimiter here. And then in this window, we're going to specify a comma. We're going to do this on each occurrence of the delimiter. Okay, because we want the name to be separated from the age, to be separated from the gender. So let's say OK here. And that will indeed pull apart the name here. So these are the names here. I have the ages here. That's the second element of that split. And then I have gender here, which is the third element of that split. Now that this has been successfully split, I can go ahead and just rename these. So that is the name. Let's identify this column as the age, and then this column here as the gender. Okay, now let's move on to splitting the location from the comments. Let's go ahead and pick on this here. Now, the location is listed first here, so Colorado Springs, Colorado. Then it has a period, and then the rest of this is the description. Okay, or if we pick on another one here, Jensen, Kentucky. Okay, then there's a period, and then we have a description about that person. All right. Now, if I split on every occurrence, like I did before, I'm going to have one component there, and I'll have another here. So this will be contained in the second column, and then this will be contained in the third column. Or if I go get a different one here, this information is going to be contained in the first column. This here will be contained in the second. This here will be contained in the third. And then for this one, I will have yet a fourth column, and then even a fifth column. So when I do the splitting on this particular column, I don't want to split on every occurrence, because that is going to separate my description into each sentence will be separated into a separate column. So what I would rather do here is just split on the first occurrence, so that location is pulled apart. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of this, just because I don't want to wreck the original here. Now I'm going to do split. I am going to select delimiter here, but I want to change that to a period, which is going to be a custom. Select custom from the drop down here, because a period is not a normal or a typical delimiter. So I'm going to say custom period, and then I want to say just leftmost here. Now say OK. And you can see that the location here has been successfully pulled off, and then any description information has remained together in a single column. So I want to rename this one here. Oops. Just rename this the location. And then this is going to be my comments. So let's rename that. In Power BI, you can see that each of the steps have been indicated over here. So if you'd like to undo a step, you just simply can select the X there, and that will undo that particular step. Now that I have my data split like I would like, I'm just going to close and apply and go back to the original data table here. The new columns are going to be pushed off to the right here. So over here you can see name, age, and gender have all been pulled apart, and then the location and the description or comments as well. Okay, that's all I have then for splitting strings with Microsoft Power BI. Thank you.